Okay, Olivia, where are we going? Olivia,
See fireworks.
look at the sky. Look how beautiful it is. It's like pink and orange. Our speed is 60. No, 6. If you run really fast, I'll take your speed. What do you have right now? Non-moving. Wait, there's pierogi. Honey, you want a pierogi?
No.
You want an ice cream or something? My sticker fell. Okay, Olivia, what are you about to do?
I'm going in now.
Okay.
Yeah, let me get a nothing to play. Got this. Alright, give me one of them. You got lemonade? Give me one lemonade. And then another one with Caribbean cherry. And then what I don't know if the girls like. That's funny, can you let her roll? I need a cola one.
Wow, looks good. You have to pick one. Is that a Red Bull Starbucks? Prawns. Caramel Frappuccino, honey. Michael, there's chains. There's keychains.
Alrighty.
There's
journey will end, but I know where it's all. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream.
I'm
Life
tired.
pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself in love. Didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself in love. Didn't know I was lost.
So we're going.
There you go. There you go.
Are you done with fireworks for the rest of the year?
Yeah.
I'm not good. Look at me. I'm like literally vlogging with the fireworks going
All
off.
I wanted was keychains and wipers. That was my favorite part.
Okay.
Why? Are you mad about it?
No, I'm not mad. I'm happy. I'm watching fireworks through the
No, you're
camp.
mad about like I mean.
No, that's fine. There's a car behind us. Let's get over here. There's a lot of cars. We have to stay on this side of the road, I guess.
Always was looking at it since I didn't like it. When I said I didn't want fireworks, he looked at me.
Oh. Or maybe you looked at us like that because we're like walking in the middle of the road and there's like 5 cars behind us and trying to get through.
Where's your car? Where's your car?
It's a little bit further down. Oh, this is a big one. They're doing competition. Wait, there too.
Three competitions. Who will win? Move on to the next. If you're done with the
Okay,
next,
X. Move on to the next.
no. If you're done with the next. I've been walking for like 12 hours. You guys can you see it? I've been like walking like this.
Is it the finale? I just want to watch the finale when they go like crazy. None, fam. The van.
I know we parked here, so I didn't stay in there.
We're just like a little bit further down.
I got more keychains. I got the Monday shampoo. Show it. The Monday shampoo. I'm not gonna show it.
Not yet. We're gonna do the reveal when we go home.
thing. I don't think we should have. Maybe we did. Well, we got 20 Labubus for my birthday party, but not really 20. We didn't really invite that many people. We only invited like 14 people. So I can open one when we get home. Yeah. That's why I got more like drinks and like yeah. Because each one of them have to have a drink if they want to be in the Labubu Club.
Okay, okay.
I gotta pee.
Oh no, we gotta go.
And you know if after like 5 minutes if I'm holding my pee up.
Fireworks are still going off, but we decided we want to go to
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.